90च्या दशकातील प्रसिद्ध अभिनेत्री सोनाली बेंद्रे आणि मनसे अध्यक्ष राज ठाकरे यांच्यामध्ये असलेल्या नात्यावर गेल्या अनेक वर्षापासून विविध चर्चा सुरू आहेत. या सगळ्या चर्चांवर भाष्य करत अखेर सोनाली बेंद्रेने मौन सोडलंय. ANIला दिलेल्या मुलाखतीत सोनाली बेंद्रेने अनेक खुलासे केलेत. दादरच्या शिवाजी पार्कात मराठी भाषा गौरव दिनानिमित्त आयोजित कार्यक्रमात सोनाली बेंद्रे आणि राज ठाकरे जवळपास 30 वर्षांनंतर एकत्र पाहायला मिळाले. यावेळची सोनाली राज यांना खुणावत असल्याची एक क्लिप सुद्धा प्रचंड व्हायरल झाली. यानंतर काय, सोनाली आणि राज यांच्यातल्या नात्यावर पुन्हा एकदा सोशल मीडियावर अनेक उलटसुलट चर्चा सुरू झाल्या. या व्हायरल व्हिडिओवरून राज ठाकरेंच्या सोनाली क्रश होत्या का हा प्रश्न विचारतात सोनालीने दिलेलं उत्तर ऐका.
I have to ask you that because that video went viral recently. I can't show it because we don't have the rights to it. But where you turned and looked at Raj and then it went viral on social media ki ye 20 years ago he had a crush on Sonali. And
Did he?
yeah.
I doubt it, but yeah.
When you turned, I think he was little hesitant piche se, and you just, it was a very innocuous video.
No.
And
I'll
then
tell
it
you
went
what. Honestly, that when I spoke and I called, I was talking to my sister who was right there.
Behind him.
Yeah.
But
not even behind him. Was it behind him? I don't know. But that was to my sister.
But there's
who
no
I was
gossip
telling her,
about you
just
now.
come.
So whenever there's
No, but
little
you know,
bit-
that's the thing about this. I don't know. I mean, a lot of people talk. I think it's just not in a very good taste when people talk about it like that. One, because first of all, I mean, you know, there are families involved and people involved and all of that. And second thing is that I mean, it's something that till date I've not even bothered telling this, but because we just spoke about it before this, I will just give you. Other than the fact that my brother-in-law and my sister know my brother-in-law who's a cricketer and hence used to play cricket with Raj's cousin.
That's your sister's husband, brother-in-law.
Sister's husband.
Okay.
And they always played together. Secondly, my sister's mother-in-law was the head of department of, he's taught us English literature in Ruya College, which I'm from. And so she knows Raj because Raj used to, there was some sort of, with his father, Vasu Paranjpe, who was also, so they all knew each other. And for me, the connection was that Sharmila, Raj's wife, her mother and my Masis are best friends.
Okay.
Her mother has held me 10-day-old because you know how? My mother's younger sister, that Masi. So when she delivered, they've come all laughing. Oh, her elder sister's baby, let's go and see the baby. They've come to the hospital and seen me. So literally, that's the kind of connection. But I've always traveled around, so it's not something that I know them beyond a point because I came into to Maharashtra only once in 2 years during summer holidays or something like that.
Are you a political person?
No,
Like,
not really.
Not
I think you need a lot of very thick skin for it, and which I don't have.
Okay, but you are politically
And I'm not
aware.
politically correct. Unfortunately, I get very.
So there was this one interview of Goldie's years ago, which was done, and about when he talks about you. There were very few interviews actually when I was researching, in which he said we had political discussions and we agreed to disagree on some matters.
Yeah, we still do.
Keeps the spark alive, no?
That's true, but also just being able to discuss anything and everything, a topic.
Okay.
So, also in today's day and age, you know, to have a person whom you can talk to anything about is such a privilege because, you know, anything that you say can be misconstrued so easily. So to have this friend whom you live with and, you know, you can talk to about multiple topics. So it's not just politics, but about various things. Because I feel it's only when you talk about things that you can actually understand them. So, and everything has another point of view and it's great to have different points of view.
मी माझ्या बहिणीशी बोलत होते, जी तिथेच उभी होती. आमचे राज ठाकरेंच्या कुटुंबासोबत जुने संबंध असल्याचं म्हणत सोनालीने राज ठाकरेंसोबत रंगणाऱ्या सगळ्या चर्चा फेटाळून लावल्यात. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, मुंबई तक.